on, guys? It's Ranj with Empire Garage. Today we get to start on the CB650 Cafe Racer project. So as you know, we have a 79 standard 650 here. I was originally going to start with the 81 custom, and I figured out the whole issues with the frame. That was just not going to work out for a proper cafe look. So we got the 79 here, it's in the garage. We're going to start by just cleaning up, assessing what is going on. I'm probably going to tear off the carbs and go from there. Made a little list in terms of what needs to be done. So first off is starting the engine. So I need to take the carbs off, rebuild them. Battery, I just threw on a new battery, so that should be good. Waiting for spark plugs to come in, new throttle cables, because the current ones are pretty stuck. I don't know if they're just not oiled up or what, so I'm just going to get new ones. It's not leaking, so that's a good sign, because the other motor that came off the 81 was leaking really bad. So this is going to be needing a proper rebuild. Hopefully this one is good for now. I don't see any leaks. I just want to get it started so that I can start on the actual frame. So getting this running is the most important step right now. And then we're going to disassemble the whole bike down to its frame. I'm going to start on the frame modifications in terms of making the seat, cutting, welding, putting in the loop, and then we'll get into the nitty-gritty once we get there. Assembly, finish. And with the 81, I just want to do like a rough, easy going cafe just to flip and sell, or to have like an art piece in the garage somewhere. So I'm not going to spend too much money on the 81. I'm going to try to recycle some parts off the 79 and just go easy on that. So before I move it, I'm just going to take a vacuum, clean out. Here you can see on the other side. I don't know what all this is. I'll clean that up. We'll wipe things down, get all the dust and dirt off, and I'll move it over to the other side of the garage. So found something cool underneath the seat. The original toolkit from Honda. The rest of the bike seems pretty stock. Obviously old, but it's all intact. I played with the electrics earlier. The lights turn on, blinkers turn on, work, signals and horn and all that stuff. The only thing I don't know if it's original or not is the brake reservoir, because on the 81 it's more of a rectangle and a black plastic cover. This one's metal, so I don't know, it could be original, could not. I'm not too sure about that, but the rest of it seems pretty original. Maybe the exhaust isn't, or it was just like that from the factory. I'll be using the 4:1 that I have that came on the 81 on this, and I'll put this on the 81. But alright, so time to get those carbs out.